Hi students, this is Priyanshu and today I'm going to talk about our most important and repeating questions of Telangana State Board Examination, and this is our chapter National Liberations Movements in the Colonials. Okay, so actually this is a world history. We already know about this. Okay, and this is not a medieval history and not ancient history. It is just you can say modern history. Okay, so here it is a it is a notes, but we are not going to see the notes. We directly come to our practice questions. uh, this is a map. It is given, you just learn about it once. Okay, look at that. After that, here this is a multiple choice questions. Okay, so here we will see the multiple choice question, like in China republic formed in the basis of principle of new democracy, parliament system, president system, capitalisms. Okay, yeah, you have to mostly read about capitalism, what is capitalism and what is the mean by that. This is important because lots of students don't know about capitalisms. Okay, many fourth movements took place against the, okay, you have to read about it. And here, so these are the MCQ once you look about it. Okay, for the 16th century, this was the major sources of celebs from for America. Okay, अमेरिका ने जो वर्ल्ड वार में जो बीच की जो बेचा है उसने बम, so he is become the more famous. Okay, right. So the following launch military comparing the control wearing the China. Okay, I hope you will understand this. What is the mean by CCP, NCP? You have to be actually, China is आज के डेट में अगर देखा जाए, so China is totally going to opposites of that. चाइना समझो बहुत ज़्यादा आगे चला गया है और हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा पीछे रह गए हैं. हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा लैंग्वेज प्रॉब्लम्स रीजन्स के में रह चुके हैं. वी आर टोटली ऑन द राइट नाउ आवर कंट्री इज इन द रीजन लैंग्वेज. These are the type of things we are debating, and our students are debating on such type of things. They are not debating on our taxes, geography region, how we can develop our geography, how we will develop the farming, politics. They are not talking about the politics like they talk about like BJP and something. You have to talk about which type of rules and policy were applied, such type of things. This is politics, not about BJP and Congress, and these are not a politics. Politics means you have to be aware about like which policy come in British times, which policy the China get it. These are the politics. Okay, so well, this is lecture already I given, but let's see this. This is a very short question answer. Explain the pan Africans. What is the call of warlords? What are the reasons of the civil war that took place in Nigeria? This is important. Explain the program of Sun Yat-sen. Okay, explain the practice against the women in China. Explain the movement of took place in China against the territory of the Varalsias. Why actually that is the Varalsias. Okay, why and that's second one. Okay, so well, this chapter is here only, and what about a question in this one? It is still here only. I hope it is clear and you don't have any doubt. And if you are looking for the playlist by chapter wise, so go to our channel, click on the playlist, you will find. Otherwise in description there is a link, you can find out from there also. Okay, so I hope it is important to you, and we will meet on next video. Jai Hind.